ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्रीरामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ॐ श्रीहनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनं। ॐ श्रीचिन्मयसद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्रीतुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्रीतुलसीदासाय नमः। Hari Om, a warm welcome. Yesterday I said we will start with that story today. It featured in the 19th Doha, which we were seeing yesterday. Kadru binatahi deenha dukhu tumahi kausila deva. Tulsidasi writes, what Manthara spoke to Kaikeyi. Manthara says, hey queen, hey mata, Kadru binatahi deenha dukhu, that trouble, that persecution, Kausalya will give you, which Kadru gave Vinata. Who are these Kadru and Vinata? And then the Doha ends with saying, Bharatu bandigriha soihahi. Bharata will rot in the prison. He will be shut into the prison for lifetime. And you will be the sevaka for Kausalya. And Lakhanu Ramake never. Lakhana will become the Senapati or even the Prime Minister, we may say, the next in the system after Rama. Now, we will think about Kadru and Vinata. Very simple way, we will not go in detail, not required actually, but since the name has come, let me just put it across to you. It takes us to the beginning of creation. The Puranas say that all the creation started from this Kadru and Vinata. One section of creation, let me put it that way. Sage Kashyapa actually was the architect of the whole thing, where through different mothers, one section of the species was created under his guidance. And two of them were Kadru and Vinata. Very many species we know, 84 lakhs of species exist in this globe. Is it not? Out of which 2 species were brought down to the earth by Kadru and Vinata. Kadru created snakes, the very species of snakes. And Vinata created the species of winged species, all the birds, smallest to the biggest. From the unicellular to the multicellular organism were created at that time, out of which the snakes were created by Kadri and the bird species were created by Vinata. It so happened that once there were, you always have these, what do you say, controversies very many times. Even at homes we all know, wherever there are two, it is not my statement. These are all statements that are coming from our Shastras only. So don't come behind me with a lati. Okay? Commonly, women have got controversial clashes. Normally. That doesn't mean men don't have. But even the Shastras say men have very less compared to the women. The factor of controversy, the factor of jealousy is more in women. Prakriti Dharma, it is not anybody's fault, and you don't have to get offended or elated by these statements. May I make it very clear? There was a controversy between Kadru and Vinata. What was the controversy? There was a celestial horse called Uchchaishravasa. You might have heard the name. It appears in very many places. Uchchaishravasa is a horse in the celestial world. And Uchchaishravasa is actually white in color. Kadru made a statement saying, no, it is dark in color. Whereas Vinata, she made a claim saying, no, celestial horse Uchchaishravasa is white in color. So this controversy was going on. Vada Vivada was taking place. And it so happened that Kadru came to know the truth that the horse is white. But they don't give up so easily. They don't accept defeat so easily. Therefore, what she did, she called her sons, all her snakes, remember. And then she said, while the checking is taking place, you somehow go in between the tail. Basically, the controversy was with the tail. So, you go before the tail so that it appears as though it is dark, and then I will win. And what is the result of that? Whoever loses this Vada Vivada, that person will become a lifelong servant to the other. Now, Kadru wanted Vinata to become her slave for the rest of her life. Therefore, she made this plot of telling her sons, you go and stand just in front of that so that the tail appears as though it is dark. And they did that very efficiently, and Vinata was asked to be her servant. For years, she was serving as the servant of Kadru. Now here, Kadru and Vinata are co-wives. And one co-wife becomes the servant of the other co-wife who persecutes Vinata. Later, Vinata's son is our great Vahana of Mahavishnu, Garuda. And when Garuda came to know the truth, he relieves his mother. He relieves his mother from that clutches and he brings her back. And therefore, this Garuda is also called Vainateya. One of the names of Garuda is Vainateya. And then he relieves her. This is one example that Manthara takes to Kaikeyi. She says, you will become like that Vinata and Kaushalya will persecute you. Are you ready to become her servant? Which co-wife will want to become the servant of the other? Think. Therefore, now this particular story you will find in Adi Parva of Mahabharata. This Kadru and Vinata, it is there in Adi Parva of Mahabharata. Just a matter of information. When Manthara asked Kaikeyi like that, Kaikeyi is shocked. Already she is shocked. Already she has lost her discriminative intellect. She is caught up with fear. She is already completely hypnotized. Isn't it? See, in the next 20th Chaupai you will see, Kaikaya Suta Sunata Katubani Kahina Sakai Kachu Sahami Sukhani Tanapase Upkadali Jimikapi Kubari Dasana Jibhaja Tabachapi कहीं कहीं कोटि का कपट कहानी धीरज धरहु प्रबोधि सिरानी फिरा करम प्रिय लागी कुचाली बकी सराहई मानी मराली सुनु मंथरा बात फुरी तोरी दहिनी आंखिनी तफर कही मोरी दिन प्रति देखऊ राति कुसपने कहऊ न तो ही मोह बस अपने काह करऊ सखी सूध सुभाऊ दाहिन बामन जानऊ काहू अपने छलतन आजु लगी अनभल काहू ककीन केहि अघ एक ही बार मुही दैय दुसह दुख दीन कैकेय सुता सुनत कटुबानी. Kaikeya Suta meaning what? Suta, the daughter of Kaikeya, who is Kaikeyi. Sunata Katubani, listening to, hearing such harsh words from Manthara. Kahina Sakaikachu Sahami Sukhani. She was spellbound. Spellbound meaning what? She was speechless. She was fully in the clutches of fear. She was shuddering with fear. Tanapasevu kadali jimikapi. Her whole body, tana means body. Pasevu. It started sweating profusely. All her clothes became wet. Kadali Jimikapi, as though she was shivering. How? Like the plantain tree. That very stem of plantain tree was shivering, like that she was shivering. Kubari dasana jeeba taba chapi. Kubari means the hunchback, the humpback, whatever you may say, the one who is bent. Dasana jeeba taba chapi. She bit her own tongue. Who? Manthara. Why? She got scared. Why did she get scared? She has scared Kaikeyi so much. Now with the shivering, the sweating of Kaikeyi, Manthara saw and she started becoming afraid of. Why? What if Kaikeyi gets a heart attack? To that extent, she has, scared Kaikeyi. So she was a little afraid. Kahi kahi koti ka kapata kahani. Immediately she started thinking, no, I should release her from that fear. Otherwise something else will happen. Therefore, she started telling lot of stories of how, they even got over it, and then, all good kind of stories she said. Dhirajatarahu, please be, have patience. Dhirajatarahu prabodhisi rani, O queen, please be calm. Please have a good cheer. Why? All will be good. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Don't worry. Like that, she's told Kaikeyi to bring her out of that scary condition. Phira karamu priyalagi kuchali. Slowly, Kaikeyi turned towards Manthara. It started happening from the beginning. As Manthara said, slowly, she turned, and now she is fully in praise for Manthara, in a manner of saying. Kaikeyi was completely convinced, and her love towards Manthara became more and more stronger. Bakai sarai hai mani marali. She, praised Kaikeyi like, you are the beautiful swan. But actually, she was a crane. A crane, crane like Manthara was taken to be swan because of that particular condition with which Kaikeyi is highly hypnotized. And then she says, Sunu Manthara, O Manthara, listen. Bata Puri Tori, I think what you say is quite true. Meaning what? She has completely fallen for Manthara. All Manthara's ploy or plot is now very successful. So Kaikeyi turned and said, you are right, Manthara. Dahini ankhinita bharakahi mori. I understand what you say, because one of the fact that is happening in me is my right eye is throbbing. Right eye throbbing for women is a bad omen. Think. So now Kaikeyi, in her completely hypnotized mind, has related what Manthara has told, and now the right eye throbbing, she relates and says, Manthara, I think you are right. Dinaprati dekhau rati kupsapani. Every day I am seeing bad, dreams. And kahaunatohi, I am unable to tell you why, because of my ignorance. Because of fear also. I was unable to tell you. Kahakarau sukhi sudha subhavu. I cannot help, my friend. Why? I am actually of a very simple nature. It was true. Kaikeyi was the most highly simple, very down to earth, and in a manner of saying very innocent person. Out of her own goodness. But all that is a past now. She says, I am so simple by nature, I did not realize so many things happening around. Dahina bhamana janahi kahu. I am unable to distinguish between a friend and an enemy. Why? I don't see those qualities. I am good to everybody. I don't worry about it. In fact, that is very important. In our world, in our life, we should look all the good aspects of another person. Why worry about his bad value systems? Nothing going to happen to me. If he is bad, he has to face the music, isn't it? Why worry about that person? I will see the good in everybody and be good to everybody. Kaikeyi says, I could not distinguish between a friend and an enemy. Therefore, I was unable to see all these scheming and planning as described by Manthara. Apane chalatana ajulagi anabhala kahu kakinhi. Until this date, I have not done any harm to anybody. I have always been very good. And therefore, why? Kehi age ekahi baramohi daiya dusaha dukhudina. Why is it that I really wonder, why should all these conditions come to me when I have been very, very good? Most of us think like that in our later years. We always say, oh, I have been so good. I have not done anything wrong to anybody. I have not hurt anybody. I have been always good to everybody. Why is Bhagavan giving me so much of problem? Normally, commonly, everybody give this statement, not knowing what all they have done earlier. Whatever happens to us is because of our karma phala, please. The present is a product of the past. And what you do with the present decides your future. Therefore, whatever has happened in the past, it will come as a karma phala. But having that in mind, whatever good things we do will become our future. Don't worry whatever has happened in the past. It cannot be undone. It is over. What is going to be there in the future, we don't know. It is a post-dated check. Past is an outdated check. Both are useless. In the present, we must have our presence of mind. And with that presence of mind, all good what we do will become fruitful in the future. Kaikeyi thinks that she has not done any harm to anybody. But you know, very many times we ourselves don't remember what all we have done earlier. There are so many stories which are said. We will not go into those stories because it is irrelevant for us now here. Okay. She says, I wonder for what offense that I have done, that I have to go through all these. Now, Tulsidas continues in the 21st chaupai, you will see. Naihar janamu bhar babaru jai jiyatan kar bisavati sevakai aribas daivu jiyavat jahi मरनु नीकते ही जीवन चाही दीन बचन कह बहु विधि रानी सुनि कुबरी नियमाया ठानी अस कस कहूँ मानी मनऊना सुख सुहागु तुम कहूँ दिन दूना जेहि रावुर अति अनबलता का सोई पाई ही यहु फलु परिपाका जब ते कुमत सुना मैं स्वामिनी भूकन बासर नीदन जामिनी पूछे वो गुनी न रेखति न खांची भरत भुवाल होहि यह सांची भामिनी करहु तकहु पाऊ है तुम्हारी सेवा बसराऊ परवु कूपतुव बचन पर सकऊं पूत पति त्यागी कहसी मोर दुख देखी बड़ कसन कर बहित लागी। नैहर जनमु भर बरु जाई। Kaikeyi is so frustrated. Look at the words which comes out of her painful heart. She says, I would rather go and spend my life in my father's house rather than, Jiyatana karabi savati sevakayi. Instead of living my life as a servant to my co-wife, I would rather go away to my father's house and live there happily. And further she says, Aribasa daivu jiyavata jahi. In case the heaven says I should be a dependent on the enemy, I have to save at her feet. In that case, maranuni katehi jivana chahi. I would rather die than survive as her servant. See, look at the words coming. Her mind is completely disturbed. Look at the power of Manthara's words to disturb such a very, very wonderful lady's mind. Deena bachanakaha bahubidhirani suni kubari niyamaya thani. The queen went on saying such words. We all must have heard so many, like our own people. Maybe the wife or the sisters or even mothers or grandmothers. You will find when they start talking like this, they become very, very creative in creating so many such words and go on cribbing, go on pouring out, go on troubling others with their words. Deena bachanakaha bahubidhirani. So many such words the lady, that is Kaikeyi, went on speaking out of despondency. Think. Suni kubari niyamaya thani. And when she heard all this, the very clever woman Manthara, she was very happy. Now look at this. Look at this. Manthara is convinced that her tricks have paid results. Manthara is convinced that Kaikeyi has fallen prey to all her plots. Now the ball is in Manthara's court. How she plays with that condition is very interesting. Look at that. Asakasakahu mani manavuna. Arey, what are you talking? O queen, why should you speak like this? You are indulging in self-depreciation, self-pity. The worst thing a person can do in life is being self-pity. In case you are one who go on pitying yourself, I can only pity for you. The one who has self-pity can never rise above all problems. They will only succumb to their problems. Never have this vice, V-I-C-E, in your head called self-pity. Now see how Manthara tries to tell her. Why are you speaking this way out of self-pity? Sukha sohagu tumakahu duna. You have to be happy. You are born to be happy. And with good luck, your happiness only increase. Your good luck has started now. Jehiravura ati anabhalataka. Whoever is contemplating to pull you down, who are doing mischief with you, who are trying to make you cry, soipaihi yah phalu paripaka, they will eventually reap their own fruits of their action. They will succumb to all that thing and your happiness going to increase. O queen, Mabhishta, mantra is telling. Jabate kumata, sunamai swamini, hey swamini, my ruler, my lord, we say for men, isn't it? My mistress, let us add like that. Hey Swamini, ever since I heard of this plot, of what? Raja Dasharatha sending Bharata away for the sake of crowning Ramchandraji as the Yuvaraja, as and when I listened to this plot, Bhukana Basara Nidana Jamini, I have not been having an appetite to eat food. I am unable to sleep. Why? I am worried for you. Think how she is all speaking. Puche gunina rekhatina kanchi. I even asked rekhatina, meaning what? All the astrologers. After I came to know this plot, I was so distressed. I was worried about you. Therefore, I went and asked all the astrologers. And what did they say? They said, very good for you. O Rani, don't worry. They all have told me that there is no problem. Bharata bhuvala hoi yaha sanchi. All they said, Bharata will become the king, therefore you don't worry. Confident statement by Manthara to Kaikeyi. Bhamini, oh beautiful lady, wonderful lady, Karahuta kahau pau. In case, now see how she is introducing. Be attentive to see her introduction of what? Her own plot only. In case Karahuta kahau payu, I am going to tell you the upaya. In case you do like that, in case you take up that suggestion, work upon it, hai tumari seva basaravu. Already the king is under your obligation. He is under your thumb according to your own statement. According to your own understanding. The king is under you. So why worry? Paravuku patu bachana para. At your suggestion, I can even fall in the well. I am so much committed to you. Sakamputa patityagi. I am even ready to give up. For the sake of yourself, I am ready to give up my husband and my son, everybody, and I am ready to fall in the well and die for your sake. Kahasi mora dukh dekhi bada. Hey mistress, I can't see your pain. I can't see your distress. Kasanakara bahitalagi. Why should I not comply with my interest? Why don't you do this? Now, see what she says. Kubari karika buli kaikeyi kapata churi urapahana theyi लखइन रानी निकट दुख कैसे चरई हरित तिन बलि पशु जैसे सुनत बात मृदु अंत कठोरी देति मनहु मधु माहुर घोरी कहई चेरी सुधि आहई कि नाही स्वामिनी कहिहु कथा मोहि पाही दुई बरदान भूपसन थाती मागहु आजु जुढ़ा वही छाती सुतहि राजु रामहि बन बासु देहु लेहु सब सवति हुलासु भूपति राम सपथ जब करई तब मागेहु जेहि बचनु न टरई होई काजु आजु निसि बीते बचनु मोर प्रिय माने हूँ जीते, बड़कु घातु करी पातकिनी, कहिसि कोप गृह जाहू, काजु संवारे हूँ सजग सबू, सहसा जनिपति आहू। कुबरी करी कबूली कैकेयी, Manthara winning over Kaikeyi, winning her mind completely, hypnotizing her, and now offering. You know what? It is as though offering a goat to the sacrifice. We have this practice, especially in the south. We have a goat has to be sacrificed for some religious purpose or whatever. Then what do? They bring the goat in, what do you call it as? Procession. Offer a beautiful garland to the goat, apply tilaka, kunkuma, etc. And then give lot of feed to that goat. The goat is so very happy. It eats and eats and eats. In between they even give water to drink. All this is before sacrifice. And one cut, the goat is gone. The goat is gone. Think similarly, now Kaikeyi has become the goat, ready for sacrifice. Kapata churi ura pahana dei. And Manthara, what is that knife she is using? She is using a very sharp knife of her tongue, and that knife she is tuning it, sharpening it with her own heart. Urapahana dei. Urapahana tei, meaning what? Her heart has become that rough stone on which she is sharpening the knife of her tongue. What an example. Lakhai narani nikata dukhu kaise. Queen, however, did not foresee, like how the goat did not know that its neck is going to be cut, its head is going to be cut. Similarly, Kaikeyi also did not know the impending calamity that is going to take place. Charai haritatina bali pasu jaise, like how the sacrificial goat is fed with lot of green grass and everything before being sacrificed. Sunata amradu anta katori, convincing her. Whom? Manthara convincing Kaikeyi. Yet, it is very painful looking at the consequence. And the word she spoke, Kathori, Deti manahu madhu mahura khori. It is another example is given, as though she is feeding her with honey. But that honey is mixed with poison. Mixing poison in the honey, and then feeding that poison mixed honey to the mouth of Kaikeyi. Kahai chori sudhi ahai ki nahi, Swamini kahihu katha mohi pahi. Hey Swamini, do you really know, or you really don't know? Are you aware or are you not aware? Have you forgotten? Remember the incidents once you had told me, you only had told me, nobody else, you only had told me that when you favored King Dasharatha, saved King Dasharatha, brought him out of the war field and saved him from getting killed, and at that time Dvibaradana Bhupa Sanatani Tati. Bhupa Dasharatha Dvibaradana, 2 varas, 2 boons he gave you. And having promised a couple of boons, he asked you, what do you want? What did he say? Maghav aaj jada bahu chati. You ask them for that now. What did you do at the time? You told him, whenever I want, I will ask you. You did not ask for any boon. At that time you said, when I want, I will ask you. Ask that now. Right time to ask. Magu aju. Today, tonight itself, you ask for those boons and be happy. Sutahi Raju. What are the boons you have to ask? Sutahi Raju. Suta, Bharata. Ask for Bharata to be crowned as the Yuvaraja. And Ramahi Banabasu. Exile for Ram. Now look at the formation of this word, this sentence. First is ask Rajyam for Suta, Bharata. And then ask Vanavasa for Rama. Don't mix, don't interchange. Why? In case you ask Rama Vanavasa first, Dasharatha will faint and fall down. Even before you ask Rajyam for Bharata, if he faints this night, tomorrow Rama will be coronated and all your plot will go waste. Therefore, first ask for Rajya to Bharata and then Vanavasa to Rama. Look at the intelligence with which he is working. Dehu lehu sabasavati hulasu. And by that you can rob away from all the other queens all their joy, all their happiness which they are experiencing now. You can rob all of them and you can be very happy. Bhupati Rama Sapata Jabakarai. Now listen. Don't ask immediately as soon as he comes. Thoda to drama karo bhai. Be as though you very, very angry and all that nataka you do, unless and until Dasharatha swears on Rama, don't open your mouth. Look at how she is preparing. Tabamage hujehi bachanu natharai. And once he says, I swear on Rama, Kaikeyi, ask whatever you want, then you ask. What will you ask? First, Rajyam for Bharata and then Vanavasa for Rama. Hoi akaju aju nisibite. There is only tonight alone you have the time. And now itself if you have to ask. In case the night goes away and you fail to ask, for life you cannot do anything. Bachanumora priyamo mane hujite. Please remember and cherish these words and then ask properly, because these words are dearer than my life. Think. Badaku ghatu kari patakini. Having thus, hatching a very cruel design which she has created for herself against the queen. Kahesi kopagriha jahu. What did she say? Go to that kopagriha. Go into that room. What is that? Protest room. Kopagriha means protest room. Today men say, Swamiji, I don't have accommodation for another extra room. Why? The whole house is a protest house only. Whatever I do, there is only protest in the house. Isn't it? Kahesi kopagriha jahu. Go and rest yourself. Go and close yourself into that kopagriha. Kaju savare hu sajaga sabu sahasa janipati ahu. Hey Kaikeyi, manage it very well. Be alert. Be vigilant. And sahasa janipati ahu. Whatever he says to convince, don't accept. Never fall prey to his words. Be alert. Don't believe his words. You show your anger. Until this happens, he must first swear on Rama, then ask for the Rajya for Bharata and Vanavasa to Rama. I tell you one thing. Don't feel bad. Don't feel offended. Every house you have such things happening. Okay, for your sake, exception sustained. Very, very few places you have things going well with understanding, with love, pure love. Otherwise, most of the houses you find scheming, planning, plotting. Beware of such dramas. See how she has completely perverted Kaikeyi. We will continue tomorrow. ओम सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।